Best fitness tips for women. Those days are long gone when all you have to do is to sit at home, cook food and raise kids. Now women not only handle house chores but handle a career with secure future and manage overall personal growth. While managing all of this, many females face obesity and poor personal fitness. Due to the stress of managing home and career, many women are now a victim of poor health. This is all due to lack of proper personal care. But complaining is not all we can do. Women have enough power to change herself and her lifestyle at any point in life when she feels her own love and respect for herself. Manage your daily diet with more nutrients and make a healthy workout part of your daily life along with following tips to stay fit, healthy and happy. Best fitness tips for women. Walk as much as you can. In fact, make it your daily habit to run or walk for half an hour in the morning. And if you cannot do this, then try little steps as standing instead of sitting while talking, taking stairs instead of elevators, have short 5 to 10 minute walks after each meal. Make these little changes to your daily life and see bigger changes. Stay hydrated. Take 6 to 8 glasses of water every day to stay hydrated while the whole course of your day. A dehydrated body will not function properly, so water should be your first priority when you start your day. Healthy snacking. Make snacking part of your day. Always load your kitchen with healthy snacks like nuts, fruits, skim milk and dark chocolate, etc. Make sure these snacks are healthy and provide you benefits in bringing harmful diseases to your life. Exercise, yoga. If you cannot join a gym, then try some easy exercise or yoga positions at home or in your lawn. This will make you feel relaxed, energetic and will leave you happier. Yoga is also beneficial for weight loss, so if you are considering this, then try some specific yoga poses that will surely help you shrink your waist and make you beautiful and attractive. Protein intake. Make your first meal of the day full of proteins and have some eggs and milk. It will have your sugar level on point and your food craving will decrease. Hope you learn these fitness tips for women to the best of its use. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, give it a thumbs up, and share it with your family and friends. Please remember to subscribe my channel to see more videos like this in the future. Thanks for watching.